Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class. If you're short on time but you still want to get some movement before you begin your day, then this yoga class is for you. This quick session will help in stretching and strengthening all the major muscle groups in our body. So we'll begin today's session by coming to the back of your mat. Come to sit in Vajrasana. Bring both your hands to your abdomen, just noticing the rise and fall of your belly. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Now as you breathe in, come onto your knees, raise both your hands up towards the ceiling. You can keep a soft gaze or you can still continue to close your eyes. Send your seat towards your heel, hands behind your back, belly towards your thigh, forehead towards the mat. Now as you breathe in, continue sitting on your heel, raise both your hands up. And as you breathe out, turn and twist, look towards the right side. Again, breath in, up, look towards your left. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Exhale, come onto your palms and knees. From here, you're going to send that right leg out. Just move forward and back, stretching your right calf muscles. 2 and 3. Now take your right leg, bring it towards the right side. Inhale, raise both your hands up. Exhale, drop it towards the left. Right hand stretches over. Stretch and reach. Take a deep breath in. See that your hips are directly over your knees. Breathe out. Sit over your heels. So your foot is in front of your groin. Breath in, hands come up. As you breathe out, turn, twist, look towards your right foot. Drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Inhale, completely exhale. Start breathing in, come up. This time, right hand over your left knee. Left hand all the way. Nice side bend, grab and hold. Breathe in, completely breathe out. 2 and 1. Inhale, release, bring both your hands up. Hands come on the outside, back again. Now from here, you're going to pull the elbow inward. Come forward like a mini push-up. Send that leg all the way up. And as you breathe out, pull the belly in, knee to nose. Again, back. And exhale. Very nice. Last one. All the way back and down. Send it back. Step between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Inhale. Come all the way to Ashtachandrasana. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, open your chest, shoulder blades towards the midline. Hands, palms come directly in front of your shoulders. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, drop your hands down, chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. One more inhalation. Fully exhale. Bend your knee. Drop the back leg, send that knee forward. Inhale, arch, Anjaneyasana. So your right knee is bent. Now drop your right hand towards the right side. Nice side stretch. 2. Stay there with a steady breath. And 1. Release. Release your hands. The back knee lifts off. Bring your right foot behind your left wrist, right knee behind your right wrist. Staying in pigeon pose. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. One more inhalation. Fully exhale. If this feels good, you can stay here a little longer. Shift your weight towards your right hip. Bring your left leg forward. Stack the left ankle on your right knee. Reach both your hands up towards the ceiling. As you breathe out, fold forward, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the legs. Breathe in. Completely exhale. One more. If you feel a good stretch all along the outside of the left thigh, hip. It doesn't matter. You can simply stay up here or down, whatever feels comfortable. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Slowly come up. Swing your legs to one side. Come on to your knees and palms. If you need to, arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. Breathe out. Round. Start breathing in. Bring both your hands up towards the ceiling. You stay where you are. Just extend the left leg out. Hips directly over your knees. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, reach and stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more full inhalation. Completely exhale. Come all the way up. Sit over your right heel. So your leg is in the front. Adjust if you need to. Breathe in, up, breathe out. Grab hold of the extended left leg. Inhale. As you exhale, trying to go deeper. One more inhalation. Fully exhale. Start breathing in. Come up. So your left hand, right knee, right over. So you'll notice one side, you'll be able to go deeper than the other. Yeah, the whole idea in yoga is to try and bring about that balance on both sides of your body. 2 and 1. Release. Bring your knee here beneath your hip, just extending left leg. 2 and 1. From here, pull the elbows in so the elbow creases are pointing forward, palms nice and wide. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out and pose in. Inhale. As you exhale, lower your chest. Point your legs up towards the ceiling. Press into the mat. Knee to nose. Go again. At no point are you holding the breath. As you breathe out, down. And last one. Send it all the way back. Step between your palms. Press your back feet. Breath in. Come up. Ashta Chandrasana. Breathe out. Open. Hold here. And 1. Breath in. Up. Breathe out. Just drop your back foot, front foot, chin towards your chest, forehead towards your knee. Breathe in. Breathe out. Send your knee forward. Arjuna Asana. One more inhalation. Full exhalation. Left knee is bent. Left hand drops to the earth. Right. Oh, nice side stretch. At one, release. Place your left foot behind your right wrist. Send that leg back. Nice, strong pigeon pose. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. One more breath. Now as you breathe in, bring your right leg, placing the foot on your left knee, Agni Stambhasana. Reach your hands forward, fold into your forward fold. Breathe in, completely breathe out. You can always exhale through your mouth to get deeper into the pose. And one. Whenever you feel ready, slowly come up. Release your legs. Lean back. Feet is on the mat. You can always, the idea here is not to hold onto the knee. So I like to place the back of my palm on my knee. So you can do the same. Hold. And just extend to a point where your elbows stretch out. 2. You're going to feel your abdomen contract. See that you're not collapsing. Something here. And 1. Release. Hug your knees. Create that length in your spine. Take another deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Send your right leg to the right corner. Left towards the left corner. It can also be wider than the mat. Just remember, you can always place 2 mats, or you can spread a towel out so that your hands are not at a different temperature, like if you're on the floor. But if you're on the carpet, great. Stretch both your hands out. Lie down in your 5-point star pose. Simply noticing the rise and fall of your belly. Noticing your breath. Just observing the air going in through your nose and out through your nose. If you have more time, stay here for longer. I'll end the session by chanting a round of Om. Inhale, and as you exhale, Om. Thank you so much for joining me for today's practice. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.